short update. I will be starting trade again on a more regular period, but this is a trade that I took not too long ago. SPX 500 using the ARB strategy. What I want to show you is that I've entered my TP2 was at the bottom, TP1 was smashed, but obviously I moved it down and boom, the market turned around. I was hoping for a pullback to TP zone. That never happened, so we keep pushing. Anyway, that turned into an L. I'm sitting on 4,990, and obviously I need to make it 5,500 to pass this phase. Doesn't look like it's happening anytime soon, but it is currently 20 to 5, which means there's another opportunity to trade. So I'll check that out. This is a trade audience D. I'm still in since last week. It's in very little blues, still blues. This is just how it started, but I'm in 2 USD now.